Hey guys, how's it going today? I'm really excited because I just got in a new batch of enamel pins from my manufacturer. I've told you guys about this manufacturer before on my old channel, and I'll be sure to link that video down below. And I've done 2 pins so far. Didn't really review the second one because I was in a hurry to get that one ready for a convention, so apologize for that. I kind of wish I had. But this is my 3rd order from them. I'm excited and nervous to see it. Let's get into it. Oh, tell me you love me. I need someone on days like this. I do. On days like this. Alright, let's unbox this bish. I'm nervous. I'm gonna cut myself just a little bit. Not a lot, baby girl. Just a little bit. Just a little bit. Just a little bit. Oh god, I'm nervous. I'm so nervous. Ooh. Ooh. Oh, there's just one floating. I think that's the sample one they show you. Yeah, okay, let's look at this. Let's clean her off. Let's clean her off a little bit. Okay, well, this one isn't perfect, but it's okay. I've seen worse. It's pretty cool. And the colors are perfect. Like, I'm so glad that I found out about the Pantone thing. So now I can straight up send them the files that I want with the colors that I want. What do you think?
I think the colors are great. I'm impressed.
And it feels
that
like
green really pops at the top.
Yeah. The booty hairs. Little bumps. I feel like little butt hairs. I'm excited.
Can that feel?
Yeah, I feel the butt hairs.
Feel the butt hairs? It feels like real butt hair. Oh my gosh. Okay,
now I have to look through all 100 pieces to see what my defect ratio is. Hopefully it's not too high. I'm a little picky, but I'm not like crazy picky. I know some people literally, if they think they see something, they count it as a second, which I guess I appreciate, but I'm a little bit less picky. I tend to have anywhere from 5 to 20 defects per 100, which is pretty typical. So I'm hoping I keep to that ratio here. I'm going to put them in this box once they've been approved to be 100% quality.
I'm on my own, broken and alone. I feel the rain crashing down all around this empty town. I'm searching for the lost and found, but you don't care, you're unaware. Keep moving like the scars aren't even there. It's in the air like a blazing flare. Don't stare 'cause the flames will burn us. I thought you were the one for me. That's why I gave you everything. Held you close by the stormy seas. Oh, you meant the world to me. I used to kiss your head when you cried for me. Hold your hand while the pain was over. Keep you warm by the roaring sea. You meant the world to me. Like shadows in the atmosphere, charting the stratosphere. Yeah. I prayed for you and kept you near in hopes you'd chase away my fears. I'm on my own, you made it so, and now I'm chasing nightmares through. I used to run with you through the great big leaves, laugh at you when you laugh at me. Hope for us because I believe the home was just you and me. I thought you were the one for me. That's why I gave you everything. point in blaming you, you did not know. Oh, I thought you were the one for me. That's why I give you everything.
Okay guys, so I've looked through every single one of these pens pretty closely, at least twice through. Sometimes I'll do it 3 times, but I think twice is pretty good for these. I did have a little bit higher defect rate this time, but they are really not that bad. They're like tiny little things, like a speck of dust got underneath the enamel. Like, I don't know if you can see it or not, but there is a little piece on the pocket here. If you can, cool. If not, sorry. That's typically a very normal defect to have, along with maybe an overfilling or an underfilling of enamel. I'm trying to find one of those for you, but I had 2 of those, which I was really surprised about. But overall, I'm very pleased. I have plenty that I can sell at full price normal, and then these I will sell about a little less than half, just so I can make back a little bit on those. And I can't wait to show you how the packaging is going to look one day when I get that all printed and ready to go. And I'm going to send off the pre-orders to the people who did that, so I'm really excited. And I have to say that overall, I'm really pleased with the quality that I'm getting from this company. Even with this one having more defects, I'm still very pleased. The colors are spot on perfect. Also, as a side note, I forgot to mention, I did recount them. I got 2 extra pens than 100, so that's pretty neat. I know some companies will send you extras just in case some defects happen, but I've never gotten them from this company, so that was pretty cool, I guess. Even though it's just 2, it's 2 extra pens that I can sell or I can keep for myself, so I appreciate that. Yeah, I'm just overall really happy. If you want to buy one of these, you can always check the link in the description below and buy one there. I have stickers of this design as well if you wanted to buy one of those. They're just $1. But yeah, thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video, and bye!